Hĩndĩ ya kuruguria mubango wa kunyihia nguui cia kimucii, ministry ya utungata wa mwingi ni hithuritie ati wagarari wa ihoto cia umundu urathie na mbere na kwambatira guku bururi-ini. Ministry no unyitaniri na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hamwe na ya gender nio maruguritie mubango uyu, aria ningi mahithuritie ati andu aria mekoraga hatikaini ya ihoto ciao kwagararwo ni atumia aria mari gatagati-ini ka miaka 15 na miaka 49.
We embarked on a 3-year-long journey to enhance and advance this framework to capture all GBV in Kenya, including child marriage, including female genital mutilation, sexual violence, and the whole gamut.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ndari, thutha wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2017, ihoto cia Kenya 200 ma umwe kuma kaunti-ini 11 ni ciakorirwo ikiagararwo na kwandikithio ceceni-ini itiganite.
It is important to therefore recognize as we get into this season and the risks that the season brings, that the Commission really will be center stage, particularly in rolling out this new resource, ensuring that the prototype is up and running, to be able to hopefully capture less data than 2017.
Namba ya riboti iria ciandikithitio ceceni-ini cia borithi irugameire 8,000, Minister ya utungata wa mwingi ikiuga ihinda ni ikinyu ria kung'ethanira na aria marathie mugaru na ihoto cia umundu.
So when we come up with this framework, when this system is up and running, we'll be able to produce these periodic reports, not only for Kenya, but also for East Africa, for Africa, and the world at large. So we shall be able to report.
In the next revised edition, let us also see some positive indicators. So I've seen a lot of we're coming for you, which we should, and we should come for you. But let us see indicators on, CSR companies in Kenya who are supporting GBV. Let us see some positive indicators in that, in that compendium, because that will also spur action amongst all the actors who have a role in combating GBV.
Hamwe noguo ceceni 14 cia kuheana motungata ma ugima wa mwingi na ihingurite wabici kuria mundu uhahamitwo angithie kwamukira motungata matiganite gutari marihi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Thank you so much.